In this video, let's see how to purchase a phone number in Easify Marketing. In the navigation bar, click on Phone Numbers. In the Phone Numbers section, click on By Phone Number. In the By Phone Number page, you can choose to buy toll-free number by using the toggle. You can also choose from Easify SMS Gateway or Twilio from the drop-down menu. You can search for a desired phone number by typing it in the search field in the position you want the number to be. Click the search icon to execute the search. Now you can see the list of numbers available. Click the red card icon next to a phone number to purchase it. In the confirmation modal, click the Purchase button to confirm the purchase of the phone number. The phone number was purchased successfully. Let's go to the phone numbers listing page. The purchase number will be active soon. You can click the Assign button next to a phone number to assign it to a sub-user. In the Assign Number modal, you can choose the sub-users you want to assign the number to. Thank you for watching.